Dr. Thomas Alan Livernois. The classes that I teach are technology and operations management, marketing in the digital age, and organizational behavior and global leadership. What I find makes this different is where everybody's from. I'm teaching about culture. I truly get to explain and learn from my students what it means to move from one culture to another, how culture gets into the way of where they're working, how we learn differently, how we communicate differently, what our needs are. For my classes, we'll have a 2-hour Zoom session for the executive classes, or we'll have a 4-hour session for the in-person classes. We will talk about the subject matter. We'll talk about in groups. Every lesson is designed around human, and every lesson is designed for someone to be able to use today in the workplace. So my classes participate in the Google certification program, where they can go on Coursera, and this is their individual work. So they can get a certification in AI, in data analytics, in cybersecurity, in business intelligence, in hospitality. Internships are invaluable. We can talk all we want about concepts. We can try and teach what leadership terms mean, what organizational terms are, but unless we experience them and see how they work in our real life, and then we learn how to adjust, unless we know how these terms and ideas resonate in our own lives and how we use them at work and with people, I encourage you to talk to other students who have been through the program and their experience, especially people from your own country, but also reach out to somebody from a different country and talk to people at your organization. What's brilliant about this program is that it's truly designed around the hospitality industry. There's connections. There's people that know this business, and you're able to network within this business. Networking is key to getting any job or being promoted or actually enjoying your industry. So this is a great place to start that.